Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's recipe, I'll be doing some stewed smoked herring. And for this recipe, you're going to need some bell peppers. I have some green bell peppers here. I have one pimento pepper. I have a yellow bell pepper, some parsley, some garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic here, onion, and some scallions. Then I also have a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of my green seasoning, and here I have my smoked herring. Also, you're going to need some oil and black pepper, and you may need a little salt. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be starting with my onion and garlic. Leave that saute until translucent for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with my green peppers, my other bell peppers, pimento peppers, and my scallions. Just building that flavor. Now I'm going to add my green seasoning. And yes, I do add it to everything. It's just so good though. I'm going to add my black pepper. I forgot to say I have a piece of tomato as well that I'm going to add. It's a small piece. And now I'm going to go in with the smoked herring. Now the smoked herring, I boiled it about twice to take out any excess salt. Now I didn't boil all the salt out. Now smoked herring is something a lot of people have a love-hate relationship with because it tends to have a very strong smell and it takes up like your whole house, so that's why a lot of people don't like smoked herring. But I love the taste, so I can put up with the smell. So I'm going to go in with my ketchup. I'm also adding a little bit of water. I'm just sort of like making it do a little gravy because I don't like it dry. I want a little bit of sauce to go on my green feed. Now you have to be careful to remove the small bones. Now you can swallow them. They're not going to get stuck in your throat, but some people don't like the bones. So you can take them out. I pretty much did half and half. I took some out and I left some in. And I'm going to be adding some of my complete seasoning. Oh, I wish I had some breadfruit to go with this, some freshly roasted breadfruit, but a girl can wish, huh? Okay, this has been going for about 5 minutes now and it's pretty much done. I'm just going to add the parsley. Okay, and there you have it, guys. Stewed smoked herring.